this life, yeah, that we're living, but it's up to you. In this life, yeah.
This is a Shakhouse Production.
Life is so hard, life is too short. Everything in life is wrong. Is it my fault or is it your fault that things will never be the same? Life is so hard, life is too short. Everything in life is wrong. Is it my fault or is it your fault that things will never be the same?
It's hard to be a minority in the game, and it's hard to be an outlaw filled with pain. But hey, that's the way it is, that's how life goes on. If you ain't ready for this, then you ain't ready at all. You know that song, that Tupac song, we used to play it in the back of the shack when we got stoned. Yeah, now I remember, it's called Keep Your Head Up, but still I get up and never look down. That's when I'm always around, always look out for my folks when they feeling so down. That's why Usogunna is still here. This I believe that the end is getting near, so you better prepare, yeah. Cause life is so hard, my heart was too scarred for so many battles, yo, I've been through it all. After all those pain and tears, this is my life, my soul, my game, my years, yeah.
Life is so hard, life is too short. Everything in life is wrong. Is it my fault or is it your fault that things will never be the same? Life is so hard, life is too short. Everything in life is wrong. Is it my fault or is it your fault that things will never be the same?
Yo, it's feat-Jakal, still crushing hits in the game. I got one dream to live and I'ma keep it the same. This life that I'm living, yo, it's hard to maintain. I went from negative to positive and still off the chain. Sometimes I chill and wonder how my life's gonna be. I'm working 9 to 5, family man, fulfilling my dream. Picture me rolling on the freeway, holding it down. Bumping the Shakhouse, music shawty always get down. Shout out to my baby girl, I love you the most. Daddy's bringing the good life and keeping you close. This life is so hard, that's why I gotta pursue it. My motivation's to get there and never will lose it. I'm allergic to broke cash, it's always on my mind. I'm going straight up the dome, now watch me rise and shine. And I'ma keep on pushing till I get to the top. Cause I'm against all odds and I'm never gonna stop.